तो तुमको सब मालूम है। अब जिसको जो क्वेश्चन पूछना पूछ लो। स्टोरी तो सब मालूम है आपको।
So what is the status of the investigations in the Swapnil 1K murder case?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी क्राइम ब्रांच कर रही है और 3 लोगों को उसमें अरेस्ट किया, गिरफ्तार किया 3 को। अभी इंट्रोगेशन जारी है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन जारी है और डिटेल्स हम आपको इन्वेस्टिगेशन पूरा हो जाएगा उसके बाद हम बता दें।
Have the motive been established? It's now almost 7 days. 3 persons arrested. Have you established the motive behind the incident?
ओके, मोटिव इज वेरी क्लियर। उनका मोटिव रॉबरी करना था, चाहे वो कहीं भी करें, ज्वेलरी शॉप में। उन्होंने और भी दुकानें सर्वे की थी यहाँ मडगांव में। अल्टीमेटली ये पर्टिकुलर जगह उन्होंने सेलेक्ट की थी क्योंकि उन्होंने पाया कि ये साइड में है। एग्जैक्टली उनका मोटिव रॉबरी करना था और रॉबरी करके वहाँ से ले जाना था, लेकिन वो अनसक्सेसफुल हो गए क्योंकि वो इमीडिएटली उनमें दोनों में स्कफल हो गया, फाइट हो गई, तो दे कुड नॉट डू इट।
So all the accused seems to be from North Goa, if I am not mistaken. They are from North Goa. What made them to come down to South to commit a murder?
One accused is from South Goa, मुस्तफा रमीन, ही इज आई थिंक नावेलिम, वो नावेलिम में रहता है मुस्तफा, रिसेंट शिफ्टेड। लेकिन इन्होंने कहा कि मैंने सर्वे कर रखा, आपस में इन्होंने बातचीत की है तो उन्होंने सर्वे कर लिया, तो एनी जगह सेलेक्ट कर लिया उन्होंने यहाँ पे। वो यहाँ साउथ गोवा का भी है, वो आपस में एसोसिएट थे, दोस्त थे, तो उन्होंने यहाँ पे सेलेक्ट कर ली जगह। हाँ
और उन्होंने वो एक 2-3 महीने पहले यहाँ आए थे, आज चोरी की थी उसकी कमेंडर की कोई, और उसके बाद वो सोना बेचने के लिए मडगांव में आए थे, होटल में रहे थे। इसके बारे में
देखो ऐसा है कि तरह तरह की अभी थ्योरी फ्लोट हो रही है, बाकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन का पार्ट है, मैं कंक्लूड नहीं कर सकता। उसने चोरी, वो एक्चुअली चोरी नहीं है, वो एक्चुअली उसकी बात है जो एवेंडर और पाटिल, एवेंडर की कोई रिलेटिव है वहाँ पे अंजना में, तो उस आता जाता था वहाँ पर। तो इस एवेंडर ने, वो आपस में बात हुई, मेरे पास गोल्ड रखा हुआ है, तो एवेंडर ने बोला मैं किसी बैंक में रखवा देता हूँ। तो उसको बहाने जितनी भी उसकी ज्वेलरी जो थी उनकी बातचीत हुई, वो गया और बाद में इन्होंने खुद उसको बोल दिया हमने बैंक में जमा करा दिया, आप जाइए। लेकिन एग्जैक्टली उसने बैंक में जमा नहीं कराई थी, वो अपने यूज में कर लिए। तो वो केस रजिस्टर्ड है अंजना पुलिस स्टेशन में, एक केस ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड है। उसमें पहले पाटिल को अरेस्ट कर लिया था, एवेंडर भागा हुआ था, अब एवेंडर का भी उसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है। तो वो पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे इंक्वायरी की, उस पर्टिकुलर जो अंजना से जो उसने अपनी रिलेटिव से जो सोना लिया था वो कहाँ का डिस्पोजल किया, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है, उसको हम वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं कि वो कहाँ पर उसने डिस्पोजल किया है। और कुछ पहले रिकवरी हो चुका है उसमें। हाँ, और स्टोरी बताइए।
Sir, I mean just whether he had disposed the gold in this particular shop, in this jewelry shop.
द एवेंडर
Yeah.
अभी तक तो एज ऑन इन्वेस्टिगेशन में नहीं आया अभी तक तो, कि इस पर्टिकुलर दुकान पे उन्होंने डिस्पोजल किया है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं इन्वेस्टिगेशन हम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी तक नहीं आया। क्यों पाटिल?
नहीं।
अभी तक इस तरह का कुछ नहीं आया।
और मडगांव के किसी चौक पे बेचा था क्या? तो रॉबरी रात के समय भर दोपहर के क्यों करी, इसके बारे में लोगों के तर्क वितर्क चल रहे हैं।
देखो ऐसा है कि रॉबरी दिन में कर सकता है, रात में कर सकता है। रात में तो आप जानते हो ज्वेलरी दुकान बंद रहती है, तो रात में तो वो चोरी ही कर सकता है। लेकिन अब आई डोंट नो, वो तो उनका प्लान है। रॉबरी दिल्ली में भी सब जगह दिन में डे लाइट रॉबरी भी होती है, डकैती भी होती है। तो ये तो उनका प्लान है क्रिमिनल्स का। उन्होंने सोचा कि यहाँ से करना है, यहाँ से ले जाना है सामान।
Who is the owner of the vehicle, Bolero vehicle, which was used by the culprits?
नहीं, बोलेरो व्हीकल दोना पावला से चोरी की इन लोगों ने। अभी कुछ दिनों पहले दोना पावला में इन लोगों ने चोरी की, वहां से उसके सामान भी कुछ लाए और ये दोना पावला से बोलेरो गाड़ी उठाई है। और ये अच्छी बात है कि पुलिस को जब इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली थी दोना पावला का मुकदमा दर्ज है पणजी पुलिस स्टेशन में ऑलरेडी।
Who is the owner of the vehicle? Why police are not telling who is the owner of the vehicle?
ओनर तो नहीं, ओनर तो बताइए, वो तो वी विल गिव यू डिटेल, देयर नो प्रॉब्लम
That is different.
No, that is not a problem. Owner of vehicle will give you detail after some time. Just wait.
So after 8 days also you are not able
No,
to...
no, I don't know, but they know everything here. Everything is supposed to know by DGP. I'll just ask, within 2 minutes I'll give you. No problem. As a DGP, I'm not supposed to know everything here.
He is one of the...
Was any accused known to submit?
Huh?
Was any accused known to submit what they have been in contact?
Till now, still investigation, कोई भी accused शब्द नहीं जानता था, जो अभी के इन्वेस्टिगेशन में आया है।
कोई आया था उसके
पाटिल, वो ओनर को अभी पंडित से बताइए, वो चोरी हुई है उसका नाम ले लो। ये अभी तक आपको बताया नहीं, ये तो छोटी सी बात है, ये तो स्मॉल थिंग, विल टेल यू, अभी बोलते हैं आपको। नहीं, इसलिए आई एम ओपन,
After 8 days you are not doing that.
प्लीज,
Number 2, sir.
आई एम ओपन टू टेल यू एवरीथिंग।
Your police were well aware that 1.5 months back, some of these suspects were accused were in Margam to dispose of the theft gold.
You tell me the name of person who knew that they have disposed of.
They had been to many shops in Margam
Okay.
to dispose of the gold. Only because of the lockdown period and the shortage of funds, it was not accepted by some of the regular purchasers. And your police are very well aware of this.
I don't know the police. Till now, I have not been informed. The police was aware, but police is investigating case. It was case of Anjana police station. You are talking.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
The information is they had come to dispose of stolen gold.
in Madgaon.
That nobody will know. If I am a purchaser, I will not know whether it is stolen from Anjuna or from Danapur or from Vasco.
Okay.
So this particular fact has been established or not, whether they were in Margam prior to this murder?
We have inquired about this investigation. इन्वेस्टिगेशन के दौरान दे हैव सर्वेड दिस प्लेस। सर्वे करने के लिए वो आए यहाँ पे और कई दिन आए, एक ही दिन नहीं आए। रादर एक दिन जाके उस दुकान वाले से ही बात की है कि हमको बैंक में कुछ बेचना है, तो दे आल्सो न्यू द सिस्टम ऑफ इनसाइड द शॉप। वो एक दिन पहले, कुछ दिन पहले गए भी हैं वहाँ।
But one question that remain unanswered.
You will answer every answer, don't
Why
worry.
they came all the way to Margam when there are jewelry shops in Panjim, Mapsa, everywhere in North.
I will give you information. When I was in Pondicherry, one shop was burglared. All watches were taken. The accused were from Kanpur. Okay? So there is no answer to that. It is criminal. They have to decide place. Police can't decide.
How is that?
The criminal, do you think only theft will take place in one place? They have to belong to that place only?
No, in the light of other questions about robbery, about stolen gold, this question is insignificant. That is
Yeah.
the thing we are trying to link.
Sir, if robbery was the motive behind murder, then there were 4 people, 3 or 4 people who had come to, kill the jewelry shop or rob the jewelry shop. There were 3 or 4 people, they went together, planned and conspired and attempted to rob. Then why was it that not a single thing from the store was robbed, in spite of 4 people being in the gang?
No, what happened, actually it was not their proper planning. Only one person came, went there, उसके बाद में उसका सफल हो गया। तो दैट मैन वाज आल्सो स्ट्रॉन्ग। जो आपका जो दुकानदार था वो भी मजबूत आदमी था, वो काफी फाइट किया। आई रियली प्रेज दैट मैन हु फॉट विद हिम, दो इट इज अनफॉर्चुनेट दैट ही लॉस्ट हिज लाइफ, बट एटलीस्ट ही फॉट। दे थॉट कि मैं गन दिखाऊंगा वो इमीडिएटली साइड हो जाएगा, मैं सब चीज ले जाऊंगा। मीनवाइल सेकंड मैन वाज कमिंग, वो आया बीच में, उसी ने बचाया। हालांकि वो बचाने के बहाना ले रहा था, लेकिन उसको हेल्प कर रहा था दूसरे को भागने में। What you want?
First person who entered the shop without speaking has fired directly on Swapnil.
No, he has not fired directly. No, he has only shown. He has not fired directly, because our people have interrogated thoroughly.
CCTV footage थे.
Huh?
Keegan Rodriguez.
You got his name? Please write down.
He is in UK. His bungalow is closed. They broke up upon that bungalow also and collected keys and some liquor bottles from the bungalow. And thereafter they committed theft of this Bolero car.
No, no, Mukad, the case is registered in Panji police station.
Any more persons are involved in this case?
Till now we got roll of 3, but we can't say now. Because till investigation completed, we can't say now. But till now we got roll of 3 persons.
तो सडनली वो केस जो ट्रायल करने के बाद में
what were you
2 घंटे लगे सर सुप्रीम कोर्ट जमा.
Huh?
What was the reason for shifting the case to crime branch?
Immediately over.
Then you tell me, for what crime branch is made? It is made for a very heinous case which has, this case has become very, very important. Whole Madgam town is settled. Everybody felt insecure. Everybody wanted the case has to be investigated fastly. Since the local people, they don't have much time to only investigate. Crime branch is specialized force for that. If I don't shift any important case, then what case, what for crime branch is there?
But sir, this case was transferred to the crime branch after the police claimed that they have already achieved a breakthrough.
Yes, it is my decision. It is government decision to transfer. It is my decision. If I feel ki the
In that case,
just tell me if
in that case, then there was such a same incident that happened in 2012 where Goldsmith in Mapsa was killed. Till today, that is not transferred to crime branch.
nobody can question us regarding transfer of case. Please listen.
We are not questioning.
No, it was rather everybody should.
Why was there such a urgency shooting?
It is urgency because the case has to be investigated proper. The third person is to be arrested. The proper evidence has to be collected. The local police can't do in such cases. They are so busy. They have got the PI and SDPO, they have got other works also. If there is any landlord, he has to do. We have to do specialization. For that, crime branch is there. Rather, everybody should appreciate that this has been transferred to crime branch. That's all. If you want now that case, if it is instead, I'll transfer the murder case if it is still not detected.
Sir, you have said that first he has shown the gun and then he has fired. So what was the time gap of it?
Just I tell you, since it is a press conference,
Yeah.
investigation is going on. I don't want that there should be any contradiction. Whatever I wanted to reveal, I have revealed you. I wanted to reveal today only motive. I have revealed. I can't reveal much details because this is a matter of subject investigation.
So they
Okay,
said
so I
that-
can't.
No. Just there is a story floating in the town
What?
that these robbers had disposed the gold earlier with this goldsmith, and there was some. He was not giving them money.
Now I tell-
No. I'm just completing my expression. He was not. That's why they came there and they shook it. So are you?
I am completely contradicting this theory. We have investigated in crime branch. Not only that, even experienced investigation officers have interrogated them. This is a very false theory which somebody has floated. Till now, there is no link between this person and these accused persons. We have even analyzed their phone details, call details. Nothing has come, not even a single call is there from these accused to these persons. So it is, there was no question of disposal of any property. The poor man was blamed by unnecessary. He is unnecessarily blamed by somebody. I don't know how this theory has floated, but now the motive is very clear by this accused.
It's a robbery.
It's a robbery, armed robbery.
Edson Gonzalez, what is the status?
What?
Edson Gonzalez, he was arrested.
He was not arrested. He was only taken because he was their friends.
Okay.
But his role still till now it has not come in this murder case.
और इसमें और कोई भी है क्या?
Will he be cited as?
Now since 3 persons का रोल आया है, अगर किसी का होगा रोल, तो we will certainly do it because still investigation is going on.
Sir, it appears that Edson was part of that conspiracy.
No, till now it has not come. Till now it has not come. Otherwise we would have arrested him.
He can be a very good witness for you.
The revelations he made to some
That is a conspiracy angle.
that makes him a part of that entire, because he was in the know, is what.
My point is very clear. We have arrested only those persons who are involved,
Directly.
directly involved, directly, even indirectly also. If somebody is in planning, we'll arrest him. But till now, the role has not come.
So the question is about the audio clip of Edson Gonsalves, which has come in public domain. Are you following those leads?
We are following all leads, no problem.
I was verifying.
Whatever. I was verifying everything.
Sir, what was the purpose behind getting having an interaction with the goldsmith today?
No, because
And the market.
yeah, because there is a lot of fear psychosis in Madgaon town, as you may be aware. I don't know, because I was told that people are so much afraid, and people don't know what is to be done. So to assure them that such incident is very bad, even it reflects on police performance also, that such incident should not happen in the town, especially in the town. So now we have planned, today we have discussed with the district collector also, with municipality also, and then we called goldsmiths also, and then we called the market association also. So we wanted to say that police is with you, and we will take certain measures for security. Municipality has agreed to provide us some CCTV. For that, study will be made, and CCTVs will be installed in this town. Besides that, some in the booth they have already made. We'll deploy in the booth permanent the deployment of staff will be there. And now we have discussed patrolling pattern also, because incident one has happened. It's unfortunate, but such incidents should not be repeated. That's why our objective is there, and to assure them that we are with them. So we'll have more patrolling, more vehicle patrolling, more persons will be, and not only that, more persons will be deployed in Madgaon.
Sir, I think the traders, when they came out, they just told the media that they have expressed a concern over the number of beggars or make-believe beggars just roaming around, sleeping near the shops. I think how you will deal with this situation.
They have told we'll take action as per law. Whatever law provides police power,
But
we'll use
police
it.
have not taken any action.
We'll take action.
Every day we are cleaning the photographs, publishing it, but no action is being taken.
Instruction दिले आता.
We have given instruction to Madgaon police to take action as per law.
Some Mapsa case will be reopened again.
Nee, what happened? Mapsa, I don't have details of Mapsa. Which has
No,
not
I
been done
will
yet.
look into that.
But
Registered with same.
huh?
That matter is not even registered.
Which one?
Mapsa case. Not even FIR copy has been given to the family members.
Which case you are referring
Not
to?
in the Ratna Raikal.
What happened in that case?
Same jewelers.
Huh?
It is a 2012 murder case.
It is not registered.
How it can be murder case not registered?
The case was registered, sir. Today also I met those family members, Raikals, and after investigation the case was transferred to crime branch, and after investigating that case has been closed as a FIR.
It was 2012.
2012.
2012. Very good. 8-year-old case.
So the theory that the gun.
No, but somebody was telling कि whether that case will also be transferred to crime branch. I think he was not aware कि crime branch को already transfer कर चुके हैं.
That case was already in the crime branch.
Already crime branch.
ठीक है.
एक बार detail we will discuss. Detail देख लो.
Gun being brought from Bihar, that has it come out true in the investigation?
Yeah.
Yes.
Till now it has come out that they bought from Bihar. It is confirmed.
They personally went there or they have
They
prepared
went
for
physically.
You are asking all details from me. I wanted to reveal.
Because there was a lockdown.
They went to some of them. I will not name now. Some of them went to purchase physically.
So during lockdown they went out and came back. So that means there was relaxation at the border. Do you agree with?
And they have gone. It's in.
I will not give you details, but all protocol was followed by everybody.
But a gun is.
Okay.
Firearm is brought and it is.
They even got tested.
तो आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ, आपने सब कुछ बता दिया। फर्स्ट डे जब ये रोबरी हुई थी, तभी गुनाहगार ठहरे, वो अंदर आने के तो नहीं देती है, कुछ बात नहीं, इसलिए मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग वो करना पड़ेगा।
देखो ऐसा है कि आप लोगों ने शायद बहुत ज्यादा हीनियस क्राइम में एक्सपीरियंस आपका नहीं है. इवन इन दिल्ली, इवन एनी प्लेस, we don't hold press conference until unless we ourselves are satisfied what is to be
Sir,
done.
but you are not debarred from entering the police station.
Huh?
That day media was debarred from entering the police station.
They had put up the gate.
They had put up the gate and the policeman standing there was telling,
After independence,
press will not be allowed inside. We have been instructed not to allow press inside.
देखो please don't divert topic. I have come here to answer your questions.
So when
That
we
you
can-
can talk to SP when you meet him.
So when we can expect the vacant post of STPO to be filled up? It's over 2 months now, there's no STPO. STPO promotion can be there.
Huh?
Even after promotion,
What promotion?
DYSP का promotion हो गया तो भी क्यों नहीं?
कब हुआ है? ऑर्डर कहाँ हुआ है? Where order?
Only recommendation.
Actually, we have very soon we are going to fill up because we are waiting only for these promotions. Till now the file is there, but orders it will take some time.
Any political,
हाँ, just ask anything.
नहीं इसके बारे में, डिवाइस के बारे में आप.
हाँ, क्या करो?
So, Omkar and Avenger complaint was being filed in January. That time, what action police have took that time? And this same guy were involved in the Swapnil murder case.
या नहीं, उसमें बताया ना आपको कि केस रजिस्टर्ड है अंजना में. पाटिल was arrested, Evander was not arrested. Because Evander went to Delhi. He was evading arrest. So now अभी आ गया तो we are taking that angle also.
Is it just a coincidence that both these cases and the accused in those cases are same? Because we are still finding answers on why this.
What answer you want?
नहीं, चोरी होती है,
हैं?
The
चोरी
accused.
होती है, डिस्पोज होता है, सोना बाद में.
The persons involved in the Yuna case are the same involved here.
Is it just a coincidence?
Now you ask the criminal.
Is it a coincidence or-
नहीं, you ask criminal why they are doing repeated offence.
They are friends.
Okay, they are friends. They will commit. They have already committed. Mustafa has already committed on murder. Okay, he has already committed murder.
He wasn't he wasn't on the track of the police because he's already a murderer in your record.
He was murderer, but I don't know. I don't have answer for that. I can only answer about this investigation.
We
Please.
cannot ask you too much because you have just joined in.
हाँ.
All things
And all things cannot be.
All
revealed.
things can't be.
But on time,
Anything? Any last question? Anyone?
So this motive theory. it is-
नहीं, what you are asking me? You are
Motive
behind you.
is
Just-
armed robbery. Motive is armed robbery.
That is the final
Yes.
motive.
This is a final theory. It is an official theory also, because it is after thorough investigation.
So you all must have, I must have interrogated the accused. Why did you not put your fear in that person to part with the gold? Instead they just shot him.
No, that you talk to
That
IO,
we
he will
that
tell
you talk to IO, or that we will reveal after after charge sheet in the case.
Or I will tell you.
Anyhow.